Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT as a Japanese translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Then simply paste the Japanese text into the chat to start the process. The brilliant trick is to proceed your request with "Translate this in English," and then, with a single key press of the Enter key, the secret is revealed. ChatGPT quickly and skillfully reveals the English translation in front of you, revealing the intrigue hidden inside the Japanese words. However, the exploration of language doesn't stop there. Should your fascination prompt you to look up a phrase in Japanese, the procedure is still delightfully consistent. Just as before, say, "Translate this in Japanese," before entering the appropriate English text. Watch as ChatGPT skillfully responds by effortlessly providing the corresponding Japanese translation. Despite the tool's incredible responsibilities, it's important to keep in mind that accuracy can vary, especially in complex situations or with subtle language. A second review is always recommended. That's it. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.